Good day, good happy Monday. I just stopped in to check on the easterly job. A beautiful freeform pool that I designed. And boy, I'm telling you, this is a beautiful finish. Got our bubblers, our umbrella holder, our spot tiles. Beautiful. I believe this is midnight blue. But beautiful job. See how we did the travertine coping? Sometimes we do this in lieu of paver coping. This allows the client to be able to rest their arms, sit a beverage against the corner, and not have it melt within minutes. Got a big, beautiful screen enclosure. As you can see, we did a composite roof at the end. We are installing an outdoor kitchen down there. We had to do a riser wall. This is the proper way to do it. So all of the wall heights line up perfectly. Nice little view of the preserve out here. But yeah, beautiful job. Multiple steps. Pretty big pool, probably close to 470 square feet of pool. Love the big steps. Love the extra large sun shelf. Thought this will accommodate maybe 4 or 5 loungers. Got a nice big granite spillway. You see it complements the travertine coping. And check out our luxury spas. A triple, a single, a quad, and a couple of more singles. So this is how we do our spas. We are not like the rest. When you build a spa, you build it for a couple of reasons, but main thing is therapy. And with these jets, you get true therapy on your back. Special plumbing, not just anybody can do it. They don't do it. We very rarely see it. So this is a quick little overview of the easterly job. I'm heading out to check a few more, and we'll be getting the outdoor kitchen going right here. And this is a nice area to stay nice and dry. So y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you soon. And guess what? They got swimming quick. You will too. Take care. See ya.